Albany Obedience Club, Sunday, September 15th, Master Interior. This was room 1. Our start line was here at the threshold. Immediately as we came in, there was a hide in this dustpan. Some of the dogs caught it right away by coming in. Handlers took their time with the door, letting the dogs work. If they didn't catch it on the way in, a lot of dogs caught it after they were done searching. This whole area here was in play, as was the back area. We had a lot of sun coming through the windows. This unit was in play as well. And inside this cabinet, there was an inaccessible hide. This odor was being pulled out because of the sun, so some dogs were working it off of the cart and working back. We also had dogs going up several different locations. This whole thing was a yes zone due to the fact that it was inaccessible. And then the rest of the search area included this lab station and this lab station. One of the biggest challenges for the competitors was recognizing that their dogs were working in an accessible hide and making sure that they got all the way to the back at the end of the search area to clear that. Nice job, everyone. This is Master Interior Room 2. Our red dots were our start line. We had split the room with the purple dots that went all the way down to the end. So up to here and over was all part of our search area, as was this circle of desks on this side and this circle of desks on this side, and both circles of desks were blank. This was also in play, as was the back wall all the way down. We had a desk and a lot of computer equipment and wires in the middle, which we took out of play. So this area was not in play. All of this was. And we had an inaccessible hide inside this cabinet that presented out into the wall and actually across here as well. Some of the dogs caught it on this side of the door and worked up. Other dogs caught it at the bottom, worked up here, and even on this side of the hinge. And any indication on this cabinet would have been a yes. That was the single hide. We did take this part of the cabinet and the parts underneath out of play. This is a science lab, and there was some very, very interesting stuff in those buckets that we did not attempt to identify. And so based on what our demo dog did, we took all of this out of play. This was a tough room for people. A lot of people did not get a chance to get their dogs into this corner. A lot of dogs cut the corner and came out this way. Some dogs went by too quickly, and a lot of competitors got sucked into the chairs and just kept going around and around and around. We did have one qualifier in this search, but everyone did a really nice job with their dogs. Master Interior Room 3 included this part of the hallway and the faculty lounge. We only had one dog that made it to this room and successfully passed the search and qualified. The only hide out in this space was tucked underneath this part of the panel. The dog did a really nice job clearing the room and working all along here. Dog came back and actually found that hide very easily. This part of the hallway area was blank. It was a fun search. I wish more people had had a chance to do it.